কেমন আছেন?
আলহামদুলিল্লাহ।
এই বিজয় সরণিতে কতদিন ধরে আছেন?
আজকে 20 বছর।
আচ্ছা, আমরা শুনলাম খালা আপনি নাকি খুব ভালো ইংরেজি বলতে পারেন। এটা কতটুকু সত্য?
My name is Shafia, my father name is Gulam Mustafa, my mother name is Hafiza Khatun, my village name is Nazirpur, my post office name is Kolatia, my police station name is Keraniganj, my district name is Dhaka. My first daughter name is Shahzadi Asma Rahman Laki, Masters Pass, Gramin Banker officer. My second daughter name is Shahzadi Shahida Rahman Happy, BA Honors, Grihini. My third daughter name is Shahzadi Tahmina Rahman Jui, BH Engineer. My husband name is Abdul Rahman. My father-in-law name is Sanmia Master. My mother-in-law name is Moriam. My husband village name is Lolbaria. My husband post office name is Bijapur. My husband police station name is Kotwali. My husband district name is Kumi.